Okay, I'm going to turn on the hydraulics. See some oil flow in there. Now I'm going to start the wheel. And now I'm going to start the grind cycle. I'm going to hit this button and the work head drive is going to start. Wheel comes in. It's going to sit there for a little bit as it starts to grind, and then it'll start traversing back and forth. First one way and then dwell again at the other end. Takes a moment at the ends of stroke. I'm sure there's adjustments, but at any rate. And it's dwelling there again. Get to the other end again, and then I'm going to retract it. When I hit the stop for the work drive, it's going to retract the wheel. That's this button. And that would be the end of cycle. To start another cycle, we just hit this button again. Good?
Yeah, let's try the button again. Let's hit the button again real quick.
The go button?
Yep.
Here we go.
Okay.